The "Please wait" message on your Spectrum cable box indicates a temporary communication issue with Spectrum servers, often due to network interruptions, authentication problems, or software glitches. First, immediately try the most common and simplest solution: power cycle your cable box. Unplug it from the power outlet for a full 60 seconds, then plug it back in. While it restarts, check all cable connections to the box, ensuring they are securely fastened. A loose connection is a frequent cause. Also ensure proper ventilation around the box to prevent overheating. If the issue persists after rebooting, the problem likely lies beyond a simple fix. If a simple reboot doesn't work, test your signal strength via the diagnostic menu by pressing the A button on your remote. Weak signal strength below 50 dBm-V could be causing the issue. For weak signals, consider using a Spectrum-approved signal amplifier or switching from coaxial to an Ethernet connection for better stability. Download the My Spectrum app to run proactive diagnostics, which can flag potential causes in real time and even attempt automatic fixes. As of 2025, Spectrum has been rolling out firmware updates, especially for Xi6 and newer Xi7 boxes, to improve signal stability. Make sure your box is up to date. If problems continue, contact Spectrum support for remote diagnostics. If the issue is frequent, consider switching to Spectrum's streaming-only plans to reduce reliance on the cable box hardware. Also be aware of potential outages in your area, particularly during high usage periods like evenings and weekends.